And I found a waterfall you can jump off, climb up the bit there, and then jump in. So, yeah, Concepcion Falls. None for just messing around for a few.
We drove from our place in Concepcion to Ocam Ocam Beach. The total driving time was about an hour. We ended up stopping for breakfast, so that added a significant amount of time. We like to take our time with our coffee. Now Ocam Ocam Beach it's nice, it's pretty. It's a little cloudy today, so we'll see how long we hang out here. But Shawn's already climbing in the rocks and the tide pools. It's pretty nice.
Found a little place that has chicken and rice, and noodles and crap, so we waited, got some food. Banana ketchup. Good. The most literal mermaid pose ever.
Here, I'll spin it and you can have it come in.
So there's like 100,000 bats in the air right now. Just all the bats.